Steady, go! Let's make ion. Let's take 5 colors of clay: orange, turquoise, gray, white, and red. Let's start with a body, a base, and some wheels. Prepare the base and the wheels. Then, take a piece of orange clay and roll one big cylinder. Press the sides with your fingers. Attach the base. And adjust the shape with your fingers. Then, make a groove with a sculpting tool. Attach the wheels. Hooray! The body, the base, and the wheels are done. Now make a passenger compartment. Take a piece of turquoise clay and roll one mid-sized ball. Flatten the sides with your fingers and adjust the shape with your fingers. Attach it. Great job! The passenger compartment is done. It's time to model some roof rails. Take a piece of gray clay and roll 2 sausage shapes. Attach them. Congratulations! The roof rails are done. Let's make a spare wheel. Take a piece of gray clay and roll 1 little ball. Press on it with your fingers. Attach it. Awesome job! The spare wheel is done. Model some headlights. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Attach them. Super! Keep it up. The headlights are done. Next, make some tail lights. Take a piece of red clay and roll 2 little balls. Attach them. You did it! The tail lights are done. It's time to make some wheel covers. Take a piece of gray clay and roll 4 little balls. Attach them. Hooray! The wheel covers are done.